Welcome! In this livecast, we'll go over how to create communities. With Liferay running, take a web browser to http localhost port 8080. Once there, click the login box to sign in. In the last livecast, we edited some settings for the portal, and the administrator's login was changed to admin@victoryhighschool.com. The password is still test. Once logged in, using the dock, go to the My Communities private pages. Next, we will create a community that will be the home community for all users. It is here that we will put all content we want logged in users to see. Remember, the guest community will be where we put all of our public-facing pages for the Victory High School website. Click Add Community in the Communities portlet. This new community will be named Victory High School. Don't forget to populate the description. We'll say, this is the home community for all users. Notice that there are 3 types of communities that you can make this. An open community can be joined by users at their request. A restricted community can be seen by users in the community's portlet, but they must be added to it by the community administrator, and unlike an open community, users cannot add themselves. A private community will not show up in the community's portlet to users who do not belong to it. For example, a use case for a restricted community might be school clubs. Clubs would want all users to be able to see them, but would want to make sure that students can add themselves to every club community at the school. An example of a private community could be a teacher's community. The students wouldn't have any need to be a part of that community, so by making it private, they wouldn't even know it existed. Be sure to choose Open, and then don't forget to click Save. Now we'll change some of the default user associations. These are associations that are given to each new user that is created. Navigate to Settings in the Enterprise Admin portlet. Once there, click Default User Associations. By placing Victory High School in the box, every user that is created will automatically be assigned to the Victory High School community. Because our school's public website pages will be in the guest community, we will make every user a part of the guest community as well. In the Rules box is listed Power User and User. In previous versions of Liferay, a Power User was given their own community pages. In 5.1, all users have their own community pages, so Power User and User are essentially the same role. If you wish to change this back to the way it was in previous versions, you may do so through the portal.properties file. If we wanted to give new users a user group to belong to, we would put that in the last box. Right now, we'll leave it blank. Click Save and return to the main page. Next, we'll add pages to the Victory High School community and add content to the pages as well. We will add 2 pages, one public and one private. Remember, public pages are viewable to anyone who hits that link, while private pages are only viewable to users who are logged into the portal. In the Communities portlet, click All Communities and find Victory High School. Click the action bar next to it to open up a drop-down of options for that community. For now, we will click the Manage Pages icon. First, we'll add a home page to the community. Name the page School Home. There are 6 types of pages you can create. Portlet allows you to add portlets to the page and is the main type of page you will use. Panel will add whatever portlets you choose to the left-hand side of the page. Embedded will allow you to embed a URL in the page. Article takes you to a specific journal article within that community or organization. URL takes you to a link of your choice. And Link to Page links you to a page within your instance of Liferay portal. We'll make this a portlet page. As you can see, the newly added page appears in the tree navigation on the left. Next, click Settings and then Virtual Host. To make it easier for users to hit the site, we'll give it a friendly URL. This friendly URL for the community will be Victory High School. When you're finished, click Save and then click Public Pages and View Pages to see the page. And this page opens up in a new browser, and you now see the school homepage. We're going to use the dock to add content to the page, and we'll be adding 2 portlets, an announcements portlet, which you can find under News, and we'll put this on the left-hand side, and a sign-in portlet, which you can find under Tools, and I'll just close News so you can see it, and we'll put this on the right-hand side. And as you can see, the sign-in portlet is bigger, so we're going to change the layout template and choose the 70-30 split. Click Save, and now our announcements portlet is bigger than the sign-in portlet. So go ahead and close the browser, and we'll create a new page under Private Pages this time. And we're going to call it Admin, and we'll be utilizing this page in later life casts, and this will be a portlet page as well. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and sign out, and that's it. The nice thing is that these communities can be very helpful, not just for the school I've demonstrated here, but for any organization or business that has offices in different regions or has various divisions. And with Liferay, these communities can be created and scaled easily without having to deploy a new portal each time. Thanks for listening, and join me on the next livecast as we explore some of the functions of user groups.